Get ready to revolutionize your daily commute with the Segway Ninebot second-per-second Max S2 Smart Self-Balancing Electric Scooter, the ultimate blend of safety, power, and convenience. Safety is our top priority. With UL 2272 certification, you can trust that the Ninebot S meets high standards for fire and electrical safety. Plus, the smart battery management system ensures reliable battery performance, while IP54 waterproof protection ensures operation in various weather conditions. But the Segway Ninebot S is more than just safe, it's also sturdy and powerful. Weighing just 28 pounds, with a maximum load of 220 pounds, this compact scooter packs a punch. Thanks to its dual 400 motors, it can easily reach a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and run up to 13.7 miles on a single fully charged battery, climbing slopes of up to 15 with ease. Designed for road adaptability, the Ninebot S features 10.5 pneumatic tires that provide a comfortable and smoother ride on bumpy roads. The knee control bar allows for precise steering and easy lifting, making it suitable for riders aged 16 to 50 with heights ranging from 3.11 to 6.6 inches. But that's not all. With intelligent app management, you can unlock even more features and functionalities. Download the Segway app for anti-theft function, speed limit adjustment, vehicle self-diagnosis, firmware upgrades, ambient light customization, vehicle remote control, and more. Experience the future of personal transportation with the Segway Ninebot second-per-second Max S2 Smart Self-Balancing Electric Scooter. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring the city, this scooter is your ultimate companion. Upgrade your ride today and take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient lifestyle.